DJT stock analysis Friday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Yeah, Trump Media stock or Trump Media and Technology Group stock, another 5% bearish day. I'm just kind of very kind of curious about like to see where this thing is actually gonna end up in like a week time, because it does seem very bearish, and if we break below this gray zone that we have here, honestly it's not gonna be so bullish for me no more, because I'm still open like to the bullish idea here. And I mean, if the price starts breaking above $20.83 with a double time, I'm still open to buys. I'm still open for buys, meaning the price will need to kind of eventually go up 40%, which it's not like it hasn't happened yet, but it's just gonna be me waiting. This is a great demand area, so like I'm still gonna wait a tad bit more. Other than that, I'll keep you updated. I'm still sticking to a strategy that I've previously refined over 28,000 videos. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using and want to achieve long-term consistent income without fear, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.